What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about what you should be charging for cleaning fees on your Airbnb. My name's Charles Rashid and I have 30 plus years experience in the hotel industry and vacation rentals and long-term rentals. So today I want to talk to you about what you should be charging for your Airbnb cleaning fees. And that really is three things that go into that, in my opinion. We're going to talk about competition, we're going to talk about how to determine what your actual costs are and what you're including in your fees, whether it's amenities, soap, shampoo, coffee, that kind of stuff, hot tub. So stay tuned. All right, so we're back. First of all, competition. Every market is a little bit different, and you really are competing against other Airbnbs and other vacation rentals in your market. So the first thing that I do to determine what I can get away with on charging for cleaning fees is what is the competition doing. In some markets, no one charges a cleaning fee, which I don't recommend. In other markets, depending on how many bedrooms and how many baths, there's pretty much a max that you can go to. So the first thing you have to do is know exactly how many beds, how many baths, how many guests you're gonna allow in your place, and then also what kind of amenities, how many beds are there? So a cleaner has to pull all those sheets off and clean and wash all the sheets for, if it's 8 beds, that's a lot of time. Do you have a service that can take laundry off site, or is somebody going to stay there all day and do the laundry? Same thing with towels. You're going to have expenses like cleaning supplies. The bigger the house, the more cleaning supplies you're going to have. And the bigger the house, you might need 2 or 3 cleaners instead of just 1, depending on what your turnaround policy is. Do you want to maximize the amount of revenue you have by turning it over as quickly as possible and allowing same-day checkout and check-in? So on some of my units, I allow guests to check out at 11 a.m. and another guest can check in at 4 p.m. So depending on the size of your home, do you want to do that, or do you want to give yourself a day in between? And that really is a personal preference. How much stress do you want to put on yourself, and how much help do you have with your cleaners? So that's step 1. Determine what you have, how many beds and baths, how long it's going to take you, and then look at the competition with similar sized homes to determine what they're charging. The second thing is, what is it going to cost you? I touched on this just a minute ago. How many cleaners is it going to take? How many man hours is it actually going to take to clean a house? And what you have to think about is an hourly rate for somebody, how much time they're going to be sitting there, how much wear and tear on your linens, your towels, how much cleaning supplies you're going to use, and that kind of thing. So once you determine that, you already have information on what your competition's doing. Then you're going to know about what your hard cost is. If you're paying somebody $15 an hour and it takes 10 hours, that's $150 just in labor. And then you're going to have the cost of wear and tear on your sheets and cleaning supplies and that kind of stuff. So you can kind of indicate about where you're going to be on that. Just ballpark it. So that's your hard cost. And then on top of that, I always like to leave a little bit of profit so I can buy things like coffee and soaps and shampoos and things, which I'm going to talk about. And that's number 3. What amenities do you have? So do you have a hot tub? Do you have chemicals that you have to buy and keep that maintained? Do you clean? That's going to be an added expense of cleaning the hot tub. Same with a pool, you have heating cost and that kind of thing. Do you allow pets? The nice thing about Airbnb is you can add a pet cleaning fee, or you could just include it in cleaning for everyone. Those are the kinds of things you need to look at. So what amenities do you supply? Do you supply soap, shampoo? Do you take care of all the chemicals in the pool and the jacuzzi? Is the pool heated? Do you supply soap for the dishwasher, soap for the laundry? Just whatever you supply as consumables. Do you offer like welcome gifts, wine, chocolates, whatever that cost is? I include all that into my cleaning fee because it's just really a cost of doing business, but the more I can get covered by the guest, the better it is for me. Okay, before I recap, I'm going to give you guys a special gift. It is my ebook, Building Wealth Through Real Estate Investing. So I'm going to put up a screen on how you can get that free ebook. It'll help walk you through exactly how I built my real estate portfolio over 30 years ago, and hopefully it can accelerate your learning curve so you don't have to go through all the mistakes that I've made. So how do we determine what we should charge for cleaning fees on Airbnb? Number one, you're going to check out the competition and see what they're charging. You want to be competitive. Number two, what's it actually going to cost you in labor and supplies? And number three, what kind of consumable amenities are you providing for your guests? Those three things determine what you're going to charge. And then you can always change it. If you feel like you're getting some reluctance of booking because it's too high, then lower it. You can also charge other fees like pet cleaning fees and that kind of thing. So the beauty of Airbnb is it's so flexible and you determine what you want out of it. Keep investing.